In this video, we will show you one of Paxata's powerful capabilities, rapid data profiling. Rapid data profiling gives you first eyes on data. It's a visual, one-click application for business users to accelerate the most time-consuming part of data onboarding and preparation process. We're going to use a common scenario where we take a customer file, review, validate, and improve its quality prior to onboarding it into a downstream system like a CRM application. Let's start in Paxata's data library. This is the customer file that I've brought in. With a one-click profile, I can understand the characteristics and quality issues of every column across my dataset. For example, in my customer city, I see a high ratio of fuzzy to distinct values. That indicates a high percentage of duplicates, so that's something I need to clean up later. The one-click profile also gave me the top 5 values. This can be a great way to sanity check the content I'm expecting to see. For example, I'm seeing only US and Canadian customers, although I expected some European ones as well. With this top 5, I can even reveal data standardization issues like what we see in the gender field here. What's even more useful is getting insights into the bottom 5 values. A great place to identify any anomalies that may have slipped through the data. Here I have a join date of 2107, which probably should have been 2017. I also can see patterns. The top 5 patterns helps me see unexpected formats in my key attributes. For example, I'm missing the area code for some of my customer phone numbers. It also looks like I have a single-digit age, which should not be the case for my customer base. The one-click profile also calculated the maximum length of my values in each column. In our scenario, to onboard data into our CRM application, we have a 40-character limit for address. So that's something I need to trim or replace. Last thing, let's see if I have any encoding or parsing issues from the source system in my customer email address. Here it is. I have some non-standard characters. These will certainly cause mailing issues for my campaigns, and I need to clean them out. Now, armed with all this information, I can open up a new data prep project and use the interactive capabilities of Paxata to resolve the data quality issues I just encountered. Let's begin. Do you remember that I had a high percentage of possible duplicates? Let me use Paxata's built-in algorithms to detect misspellings and mixed case values of our customer city and standardize that. Paxata shows me all the possible duplicates and gives me the option to correct them. You also remember we found a date value which we didn't expect, 2107. Let me run a filtergram to see how many of these I have, select the outliers, and use the find and replace function to update all those values that start with 2107 with 2017. Next, let's take care of the address field, where we saw some of the cities exceeded our downstream 40-character limit. I'm going to first identify these long address fields using the compute function to apply a regular expression and flag them. Then, using our filtergram, I can filter only the rows with the long city values and quickly update them. Lastly, I want to make sure I clean out the emails that have non-standard characters. Let's do another regular expression to find the invalid characters and use find and replace to clean these characters out. That's it. In just 5 minutes, we cleaned out our data and got it ready to publish to our downstream CRM application. And remember, you can always automate this flow and onboard new data on a regular basis. And with that, happy profiling!